Hello everyone, my name is 𝗚𝗃𝗲𝗿. I'm the regional skincare expert and trainer for Lancôme. Ramadan Kareem, today I'm with you to introduce for you what is your best routine that you can depend on during Ramadan time to hydrate your skin, to keep it more radiant and more glowy. I'm introducing for you Advanced Genefique routine. Starting with Advanced Genefique concentrate, our best serum that we can use it morning and evening to keep the hydration and to give that glow and healthy looking skin. Advanced Genefique concentrate you can use and everyone can use because it suits all skin type, all women, everyone and all ages. Advanced Genefique concentrate, within 1 week you can see that your skin is more hydrated, more softer and more smoother. Of course, because it has a very smart technology inside with the 7 pre and probiotics that will bring back your skin strength. As well, we don't forget that it has the most important magical molecule, which is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid that will help to keep your skin moist and will lock the moist inside your skin. Plus it has the vitamin C that will bring you the brightness and the radiance to your skin. Advanced Genefique concentrate with a light texture, even lighter than a water. You can see with me that now when I will apply it on my hand, it will run faster than a water. It's very light, absorbed very quickly, and you can use it, as I said, under your face cream. Second thing, of course, in a complete routine, best steps is to use the serum first, continue with the face cream, and then you follow with an eye cream. And now I'm introducing the face moisturizer from Advanced Genefique, which is the cream. You can use it morning and evening. As well, it has the vitamin C. While you are using it on top of your serum, you will feel that your skin is more really hydrated, more glowy, and it looks more plumped. The texture is very light, and it really can blend well on the top of your serum. During Ramadan, by default, everyone will stay awake for longer hours during the night time. Since that, as well to complete your routine, I'm recommending you to use the Advanced Genefique Eye Moisturizer. You can use it as well in the night time before you go to bed and in the morning time. This professional eye cream with the 7 pre and probiotic will help you to strengthen your around the eye area, to give you more moist, to reduce the fine lines, and the most important thing is to reduce the dark circles. Advanced Genefique Eye Cream, it's a youth activating and light infusing cream. You can use it under your makeup or you can use it alone. Perfectly goes before your concealer. Of course, you can find this routine in Galeries Lafayette Lancôme counter. Please take care of your skin well during Ramadan time, hydrate it well, drink a lot of water, try to get a proper sleep, and thank you so much for watching.